Hi guys, it's me Annie and I'm back with another video. Welcome to Annie's Creations. If you are new, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. We are having another rainy, grey day and I really don't feel like cooking, but I'm in my kitchen tonight and I'm going to cook something that's really kind of lazy, but it's so delicious. So for tonight, I'm going to make a lazy girl fish pie, and I'll show you just how easy it is to do it, and it's quick and it is very tasty, and it's one of my son's favorites. If you put cheese on anything, my son really loves it. And if it's not too saucy, it's a bonus. So, I will show you how to make this lazy girl fish pie that I've invented for nights just like this that you really don't feel like cooking. So, the main ingredient for this fish pie is fish fingers. I didn't lie when I say I was a little bit lazy for cooking tonight. So, let's get cooking. I start off by putting some non-stick spray inside my casserole dish. This is a 20 by 20, I think, 8 by 8 inch. I'm not sure. But basically, it's big enough to serve 4 people. What you want to do is you're going to pack your fish fingers right in the bottom to act like the base of this fish pie. Because it is crumbed, it works quite beautifully. So that is your base for your fish pie. Now I'm using this 500 milliliter measuring jug and I'm going to empty a can of diced tomatoes into it. I like using the diced tomatoes because it's quite chunky and it gives a good texture. It's not too saucy for this pie. It doesn't make it too wet. Now I'm going to turn it into a bolognese sauce by adding this spaghetti bolognese spice mix. Just dump it all in there and mix it in. So now you've got a delicious chunky bolognese sauce that will go straight onto the fish fingers. If you do not want to use the diced tomatoes and the spice pack, you can always opt out and get yourself a jar of bolognese pasta sauce or just use normal marinara sauce, whichever you prefer. A tomato-based kind of sauce is what you want for this pie. It makes it taste delicious. So once this is mixed, you just pour it evenly over your fish fingers. and spread it out evenly. Grated up some Edam cheese because that's what I had in my fridge. This pie will be delicious with some sharp cheddar as well, but you can use any kind of cheese that you like. I'm going to sprinkle about a cup of cheese, maybe a cup and a half, on top of this fish pie. Now you've got fish fingers, you've got your bolognese sauce, and you've got your grated cheese. Now for the secret ingredient, I like to sprinkle some thyme on top of the cheese. It just gives it a great flavor. So I use about a teaspoon's worth of thyme and just sprinkle it all over the pie. Now this pie is ready to go in the oven. I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about an hour. Just keep an eye on it that it doesn't burn, but an hour is more or less a good time for it to bake and warm through because the fish fingers are frozen. This fish pie will bake for an hour and then you're ready to serve. You can serve this with a side of steamed vegetables or a nice garden salad, whichever you prefer. If you prefer, you can also serve it with some rice, but if you want to go a little bit lower carbs, leave out the rice and just add some vegetables or a salad. Now this is a really quick dinner, no mess, no fuss, no effort whatsoever, and everybody will enjoy it. It's very tasty. This is truly a lazy girl's fish pie. At the end, it's baked at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. So just keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn on top. But once the cheese is nice and brown and crispy, everything will be ready and it can be served. So this makes a delicious meal. I serve it with a side of steamed peas, and this is quite delicious. Tomato, cheese, fish fingers, and peas. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching my video today, and I hope you enjoyed it. And this is just proof you don't need to cook something fancy with lots of ingredients to please everyone. This is a very simple, less ingredient kind of meal that's really good for your budget as well, and it's always very tasty. Everybody enjoys it. So don't work harder, work smarter, and cook something easy and delicious that everyone will enjoy. This is all I've got for you today, so I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.